Good morning, class. So now in the today's video, we are going to discuss that how could we increase and how could we reduce friction. Okay. So again, I am repeating it that first, what is a friction? The friction, as I told you, it is always implementing when two surfaces are coming in the contact. Just suppose this is the one surface and this is the another one surface. So when these two surfaces will come in the contact of each other, then the friction will apply, and friction always apply from the back side from the where the force is implemented. For example, if the force is implementing from this side, so the friction will implement it from that side. Clear? So now today we are discussing that how could we increase the friction and how could we reduce the friction. Sometimes we really want to increase the friction, like when we are walking we need friction, then only we will be able to walk properly. If we will walk in the very slippy tiles or in the wet tiles, that time you saw that walking is not easy. Walking is very tough for us. So what do we need to do that? Okay, so we need to something rough surface, take it, so we can easily walk on that. So sometimes we need to increase the friction, but sometimes we need to reduce the friction. Like in the machinery parts, we need to reduce the friction. Because of the friction, we know that the life cycle of the machine goes reduces, and it also gives giving the heating effect and all. So already we discussed that, and today we just discuss how could we increase and how could we reduce. Now let's discuss. Now here you see that you can see that this tire and the shoes of your the sole of your shoes. Okay, always you find these grooves in the in the slides, in the tires, or in the soles of your shoes, these grooves. Okay, same your shoes is like that. Just suppose, and when you see the shoes, it is something design, some design were there in the downside. Why? Because of these grooves the friction increases. Okay, and when this friction increases between our between the sole of our shoes and the tires in the road, then the car will smoothly run over it. We can easily walk over the walk on the road. Okay, otherwise what will be happen, we will slip down. Okay, so this is the grooves are very important. This is increasing the friction. Okay, so as you have seen the previous section, friction is desirable in some situation. Have you ever thought why the sole of your shoes grooved? It is done to provide the shoes better grip on the floor so that you can move safely. Similarly, the tires of the car, strokes and bulldozer provide better grip with the ground. Okay, so we deliberately increasing friction by using brake pads in the brake system of the bicycle and automobiles. When you are riding a bicycle, the brake pads do not touch the wheels, but wheel you press the brake lever, these pads arrest the motion of the rim due to the friction. Okay, so we are applying the brakes because the brakes can stop our car easily. The wheels stop moving. You might have seen that the kabaddi player rub their hands with the soil for a better grip of their opponents. Okay, so or you can say the gymnast apply some coarse substances on their hand to increase the friction for the better grips. Okay, so whenever we need to increase increase friction, what do we need to do? We need to make some grooves, or we need to apply some rough powder and all. Okay, so now here you can see this is the carom board, or carom board mein if we will apply sand, is it possible to insert the goatee of this carom to the hole? Not possible, hai na? So that time we need to increase the friction, that time we need to decrease the friction. So what we are sprinkling a very smooth powder over it. Okay, so why do you sprinkle fine powder on the carom board? You might have noticed that when a few drops of oil are poured on the hinges of a door, the door moves smoothly. A bicycle and a motor machine uses grease between the moving part of these machines. In all the above cases, we want to reduce friction in order to increasing efficiency. When oil, grease, or a graphite is applied between the moving part of a machine, a thin layer is formed. There and moving surface do not directly rub against each other. Okay, so as I told you that these oil, these grease and the smooth carom powder, like these are the things which reduces the friction, and it increases the efficiency of the machine or of the anything. ठीक है. Now interlocking of irregularities is avoiding to great extent. Movement becomes smooth. The substances which reduce friction are called lubricants. ठीक है. तो lubricants क्या होते हैं? Like grease है, oil है, ये सब lubricants है because they are reducing the friction. Fine. So what are the lubricants? The lubricants are the substances which reduces the friction. Now here you can see this is the rough and the smooth surface. So already we discussed about that. Fine. ठीक है. Now today we will also read that how could we reduce friction. तो that is a wheel. ठीक है. आपने देखा होगा so many times when you are taking taking your luggage, in your luggage bags there is a some tires are attaching with the trolley bags and all. ठीक है. Why do we are attaching these tires on these trolley bags? Or because of that, as you know that these rolling tires are reducing the friction, so it will be easy for us to carry the things from one place to another place. ठीक है. So that's why, so we can easily say like that wheel reduces friction. Fine. So that's why it is impossible. Agar if you want, you can do this activity. Just do one thing, take 4 to 5 pencil and keep your book on that, and then just apply a little bit force from the another one side, and you can see that it is very easy to shift your book from one place to the another place. You can do this activity at your home. Okay, this is a very easy activity, and if you will do like that, if a little force you will implement, the book can easily roll on the another one side. Clear? So definitely it is working like a rolling. ठीक है. रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन. सो जो रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन है that is reduces the friction. तो it will be easy to move the thing. Same sliding friction. ठीक है. Slide, it means like when you are sliding something like slider, you have seen that in your toys, in your park and all sometimes. ठीक है. तो this is जो sliding friction है, since the rolling friction is similar than the sliding friction is replaced in most machine by rolling by the use of ball bearings. ठीक है. Ball bearings means small rings are there which is inserted between the machinery parts. Common example are use of ball bearings between the hubs and the axle of ceiling fans and bicycle. तो ये क्या करते हैं? They are just providing a good motion to the things. Like ball bearings, you can see in this picture, small rings are like that. They reduces the friction. Clear? Now the another one topic is that fluid friction. Fluid friction, it means कि the friction in the case of a water. ठीक है. तो आपने देखा होगा जब भी आपने बोट कर रहे हो या बोट है या आपकी शिप है, तो वो किस फ्रिक्शन से करेंगे. ठीक है. सो यू नो दैट द एयर इज अ वेरी लाइट एंड थिन. यस. Yet it exerts friction force on an object moving through it. Similarly, the water and the other liquid exert force of friction when object move through them. In science, the common name of the gases and liquid is fluid. So we can say that fluid exert force or friction on an object in motion through them. Okay, so the friction force exerted by fluid is called drag. ठीक है. तो जो frictional force which is implementing by the liquid, that is called drag in the science language. So the frictional forces on an object in a fluid depend on the speed with respect to the fluid. The frictional forces also dependent on the shape of the object and the nature. So that's why हम क्या करते हैं to overcome from this problem, हम क्या करते हैं, we are just making a streamlined body to that. ना like आपने देखा होगा boat, तो boat को what we are doing, we are designing the boat in that this shape. This is the streamlined shape. ठीक है. This is the streamlined shape. Okay, so streamlined shape is that which is narrow from the both the ends, and in the middle it was thick. ठीक है. So this kind of shape is reduces the drag, so we can easily overcome of that. Okay, so this is the problem. This is, and here you can see that this is also the streamlined body. ठीक है. Similarly, the shape of aeroplane क्या is like a bird, तो which by which we can easily overcome from the fluid friction or the air friction. ठीक है. So this is all about the chapter. We will discuss question and answer of this chapter in the next video.